If you are wondering what is this black bar at the top of the screen on your iPhone 17, then the answer is quite simple. It is a dynamic island, which is like a tool that allows you to quickly manage something that is going on in a given moment on your iPhone 17, whether it is like a call, then you can just tap on the call over here because it will be displayed. So you can call on it, you can tap on it in order to go to the call menu. If you like enable like a focus mode or something automatically, then you will see it over here as well. Pretty much anything that starts happening in a given moment, this can be displayed over there. There are many apps that are synchronized with this dynamic island, and you can manage these things through the dynamic island. And most of them can be actually found in the control center. So some of these options from the control center, as you can see, are synchronized. So right now, as you can see, the flashlight is enabled and we have this indicator on the dynamic island, and actually I can tap on it in order to do something with it, and you can most of the time do something about these items that appear on the dynamic island just by tapping on it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.